I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning.
Okay guys, welcome back, and now I'm gonna show you guys how to make cornrow, like twist cornrow. How to cornrow while you twist. I think that's the right right description. So I'm gonna dive right to it. I'm gonna dive right to the video. So as before, you're gonna take two this time. Two. Then you grab, then you twist, then you grab, then you twist, grab, you twist, grab, then you twist like this. Like this. You see how it looked like? You see how it looked like? So, and I hope you liked the video, and repeat it if you couldn't understand. You can repeat it until you get hang. You can repeat if you don't understand the video. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos on how to cornrow. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Was that a cat? I just felt like a cat just ran down my window. Did you guys see that? Witchcraft. This is witchcraft. Who is a witch? Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye. What are you waiting for?